Hello and welcome to another AIC Productions video. I just want to do an update on my 2003.5 Mazdaspeed Protege. I've taken it off the road. I'm not driving it right now. I was killing my knee driving it in rush hour traffic. I was in a motorcycle accident a number of years ago. And I've been through physical therapy and things like that, and my knee hasn't bothered me in a while, but just doing this more recently has definitely been a source of discomfort for me in driving. So I've taken it off the road. I tried to sell it, but I didn't get very good offers. So I thought, well, I'll just keep it for now and have some fun. Make it a project car. You know, I don't owe anything on it, and since I've taken it off the road, it's not costing me anything. I'm not paying insurance or anything on it right now. So what I've been doing is I'm doing, probably see I did a little bit earlier, but I'm replacing the vacuum lines with green vacuum lines. And then I got these, and these are brand new radiator hoses that are also green. And I'm going to see if I can't get a hot pipe and a cold pipe to match the cold air intake. I don't think I need to do a front mounted intercooler because I'm not pushing a ton of horsepower with this. I also want to get some green hose pipe for the bypass valve, just to make that green as well. So yeah, that's the most recent update on my Mazdaspeed Protege. I'm also thinking of painting the valve cover, or excuse me, this plastic cover green, as well as this bar, either green or match the blue body color, one of the two. I'll have to see how much that'll cost me to get a matching blue mixed up like a spray paint. There's some paint shops around me that will get that mixed up for me. But it's pretty expensive. It ends up being like 20 bucks a can. I'll probably need 2 or 3, but they're typically a 2-stage paint so that they have a hardener in them. And I've done that with the clear, which has worked out all right. The front bumper, because I was driving it, it was hit by rocks and stuff, so it's caused that to have some bubbles. So I didn't do enough prep for that. I've learned a lot, and if I do it again, I'll do it slightly differently this time around. I need to replace this bolt here. I might take this off and get that, hit that with some high temp paint, and that's more like a chrome colored, just to make the engine bay flashy, because I'm not going to race this car. I don't want it to be super fast. Doesn't need to be. I want it to be reliable, and I want to take it to car shows and show it off. May do an exhaust, may work on the interior a bit. I was working on installing the factory sub, but this is an aftermarket wire for power, and it doesn't match on the back end. The RCA jacks are broken, so I'm having to go ahead and replace those here fairly soon. But anyways, that is that. I think the green looks great. If you have any thoughts or suggestions, I'm also going to get the wheels redone too, I think, eventually. I really like the way they looked green. And they need to be repainted anyways. I mean, you can see they're missing a lot of paint. So if I redo them, I'll either keep the gunmetal gray, or I might go crazy and do green. If it doesn't cost any more. That way I kind of have a theme through it all. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, comments, thoughts, throw it down in the description down below, and I appreciate it. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.